Does embedding a YouTube video on your website actually help you rank higher on Google? It's a question every marketer asks. The simple answer is yes, but the reasons why it works are more powerful and nuanced than most people think. It's not just about having a video on a page. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down the 3 core ways embedded videos boost your SEO, and I'll show you how you can automate this entire process to get the maximum benefit easily. First, let's talk about the single biggest advantage: dwell time. Dwell time is the amount of time a visitor spends on your page before returning to the search results. If someone visits your page and leaves after 10 seconds, Google assumes your page wasn't a good answer to their query. But when a visitor sees an embedded video, they often click play. Even a short 2-3 minute video instantly boosts dwell time from seconds to minutes. This signals to Google that your page is engaging and valuable, something it rewards with higher rankings. The second benefit is what I call the double dip ranking strategy. When you embed a YouTube video, you're trying to rank in 2 places at once. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. If your video is well optimized, it can rank on YouTube and also appear in Google's video carousel for relevant queries. This means your webpage can show up in both standard search results and video results for the same keyword, 2 shots at grabbing clicks instead of 1. Just embedding a video isn't enough. Here are the 3 essential steps. Include a full transcript on the page. Google can't watch videos, but it can read text. A transcript turns your video content into keyword-rich, indexable text. Ensure contextual alignment. The video must be highly relevant to the page's topic. Optimize the video on YouTube first with a keyword-focused title, detailed description, including a link back to your webpage, and relevant text. I know, creating a unique video for every blog post, writing transcripts, and optimizing everything sounds time-consuming. That's where a tool like DeepReel becomes a game changer. With DeepReel's AI Video Genie, you can paste your blog post URL and it automatically writes the script, adds a lifelike presenter, finds visuals, and gives you a ready-to-use transcript. All in minutes, not days. Does having YouTube videos on your website help SEO? Yes, by increasing dwell time and engagement. Yes, by giving you a double dip chance to rank in 2 places. Yes, but only if done correctly. And DeepReel makes it effortless from start to finish.